Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about maximum power transfer theorem. In some applications, the purpose of a circuit is to provide maximum power to a load. The purpose of a circuit is to provide maximum power to a load. For example, stereo amplifiers, radio and transmitters, communication equipments need maximum power. Our question is, if you have a system, what load should you connect to the system in order that the load receives the maximum power that the system can deliver? When it will provide maximum power? That is the question. So we have to find the value of the load resistance when it is give the maximum power. So it is obtained by the equation PLD equal to ILD squared RLD, where RLD is the load resistance. See the circuit, it is a Thevenin equivalent circuit. VTH is the Thevenin voltage and RTH is the Thevenin resistance and RLD is the load resistance. See the diagram. When we will get the maximum power? When the value of load resistance is equivalent to RTH, we will get the maximum power. The formula for PLD is VTH divided by RTH by RLD, that is obtained by the voltage division rule. That is the current is obtained by the voltage division rule. At this resistance RLD divided by total resistance RTH plus RLD, that gives the current. Therefore, the IL squared equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RLD the whole squared into RLD, that is the power PLD. It is maximum when RTH equal to RL. Therefore, the value becomes PLD equal to VTH divided by RTH plus RTH. Therefore, VTH divided by 2 RTH the whole squared. Therefore, VTH squared divided by 4 RTH, that gives the maximum power Pmax. Pmax equal to VTH squared divided by 4 RTH. Remember, Pmax equal to 4 VTH squared divided by 4 RTH when it is RLD equal to R Thevenin. If it is not equal, it will not provide maximum power. Pmax equal to VTH squared divided by 4 RTH if it is RL equal to RTH. Otherwise, it will not provide maximum power. So, the maximum power is transferred to the load when the load resistance equal the Thevenin resistance. It is a maximum power transfer theorem statement. The statement of maximum power transfer theorem is the maximum power is transferred to the load when the load resistance equal to the Thevenin resistance as seen from the load, that is looking back resistance, that is RLD equal to RTH. That is when RLD equal to RTH, the source and load are said to be matched. Therefore, when RL equal to RTH, the power will be maximum. That is Pmax is obtained when RL equal to RTH. As RLD increases, a higher percentage of the total power is dissipated in the load resistor. But since the total resistance is increasing, the total current is dropping. And a point is reached where the total power dissipated by the entire circuit starts dropping. Therefore, RL equal to RTH, the power is maximum. The value of maximum power is VTH squared divided by 4 RTH. We will see the example. So, find the Thevenin equivalent circuit to the left of terminal AB and calculate the maximum power transfer to the load if RLD equal to RTH. Now, see the diagram in which we have to find out the value of RTH by open circuiting the RLD and short circuiting the voltage source 40 volt. Open circuiting the RLD and short circuiting the 40 volt and find out the value of look back resistance from AB. That value gives the RTH, that is equal to RL. Then we have to find out the value of VTH. That VTH is obtained by getting the voltage source and open circuiting the RLD. The value of voltage source is 40 volt is remain same, but RLD is open circuited. And now find out the value of voltage across AB. That gives the VTH. Now Pmax equal to VTH squared divided by RTH. VTH squared divided by 4 RTH, that give the maximum power. And when maximum power is delivered to RLD, the efficiency becomes 50%. The efficiency becomes 50%. That is given by the formula P out by P in. P out equal to I squared RLD divided by P in is I squared RTH plus I squared RLD. Total value into 100%, that gives 50%. When maximum power is delivered to RLD, the efficiency becomes 50%. It is also an important point.